I know, I can feel it.
See it, hot dog?
Man, that was hot.
Oh, there you go.
No, you eat it. You got to eat both sides.
No,
huh?
you eat it.
They didn't trim.
You eat it.
Tastes like diesel. It's delicious. It was a success. You got to do the other side. Come on.
No, I don't want to eat it. I don't want to eat it. No.
He's a vegetarian.
Yeah.
Diesel fuel never tasted so good.
This is the TeslaMEAN-O. It's nothing new for you guys that have been watching our channel and some of our other things on YouTube and Instagram. You've probably seen this car around the shop quite a bit. It did start out as a complete joke between an old buddy of mine and I, like, hey, before the Cybertruck came out, we wanted to kind of build an electric truck because there wasn't one out there. And a couple of friends and I got together and just started hacking away and started putting this thing kind of back together. Johnny 5 was a big part of this, helped us out with a bunch of it. And it's always kind of been like either a pickup truck or a test mule, mostly an eyesore. My wife hates it, but that's okay. We use it for a bunch of cool stuff, and now we got a jet engine stuck back here. This car actually has kind of quite a bit of history. You know, I started this project over 7 years ago, and we've had everything from motorcycles. It's been on the Hoonigan channel.
Tell us your name, tell us what you brought us.
My name's Eddy B. I brought the TeslaMEAN-O. Just a ton of fun things, but now we're actually using it to kind of test certain things. Dave Dawson and I actually met over this car. He saw it and went, "You're crazy, you're wild," and so is he. And that kind of led to our relationship that kind of built off of it. I think he was building an electric helicopter back in the day. I'm not quite sure, but we connected over this car. So as much as some people hate it, we're like, well, it does have some significance on what we do. And now we're using it for test purposes with the jet engine. We're actually going to be charging the batteries in this car because we're setting up a similar system in Dave Dawson's new project that we're going to be working on for the next couple of years. And since this is already open and has all the Tesla architecture exposed, we could tap into that and use it to test our equipment that we're going to be developing with Dave. Also, kind of to touch on our MagnaFlow partnership, this is kind of where we're going with MagnaFlow, is jet engines, power generation, and turbines, which is a lot of fun for us. The power electronics are amazing, and a lot of things have been going on in that industry. So we're definitely jumping on that bandwagon. Instead of just using electricity, we're actually be making it now. And this is how we start, is something small, and then we're gonna scale this up to a bigger and bigger platform. Well, it's funny too, we took this up to Chip Foose's garage, and I mean, this is an eyesore. We know this is not a great car. A lot of it's kind of been patched together with lots of different people working on it, but I think he liked it to the point that he started looking at the side of it and going, no, we got to bring this window back. And he's like, give me some tape. And he started taping some stuff off. He autographed it for us. So thank you, Chip. We're gonna put a nice panel back here to kind of match that, kind of clean up that window. It's an ongoing project, but that's basically it. You'll see this car keep on transforming. We're gonna add some more things to it. My kids want missiles on the top, so maybe they'll come in one day. But this is a running, working system, and it's going to be charging the batteries of this car.
Rolling in my TeslaMEAN-O, down in Oceanside. My cameraman is Filipino, and my shop's bug-wired. Lighting up my jet turbine in this electric ride. You ain't never seen a Tesla like it, and we have been my ride. I got a jet. I got a jet. I got a jet.
Well, we're at the Tesla service station. They gave us bad news. They can't fix our problem. The noise that's coming from the back is just something they're not used to. Oh well, we'll keep going.
Check